Hi everyone, let us throw back to the year 2020 when Quality Biela was shooting his shots to the famous multimillionaire Sean Mkhize. Quality Biela was throwing these shots as he believed that Sean Mkhize is the only woman that can on his level financial wise. Let's have a look at the video.
Le ntombi lethu Sean Mkhize abasondelene nayo beyitshela ukuthi uQuality kwaBiela owazwa ke SPV lena kwela soLundi oyisakhamuzi sakhona lapha noLundi uthi le ntombi leyana ufisa uyisondeze eduze uyabona ngifisa ukuthi maye ngangipha nje chance noma singahamba siyodlila ukhuzani isidlo sasekuseni khona le koDubai mhlawumbe ukuze indaba yethu seyibamba i-meeting yethu seyibambela le kude abantu bengasiboni le ndaba kade ngiqhumile ngingazi ngizomqala kanjani umuntu ngizomthola kanjani ngimtshela ayikho i-airport engaze ngihambe ngingenanhloso yakugibela bhanoyi ngoba ukushayela ngiyashayelela everywhere kodwa bengizoyithi ngiyogibela phela ibhanoyi ngoba into mhlawumbe ngenzeka sidibane phezulu ngoba la kuyinto esawunda kahlanu ukuthi try mina noBheki udibana wethu sadibana phezulu emkhathini sigibela indize yodwa yabo lonto iyasawunda kodwa angikwazanga ukuba nenhlahla ukuthi sidibane noma Mkhize ingakho sengithi hayi man angibuye kuleli side elingapha ngimtshele man uMkhize ukuthi hayi mawungena lapha ku-Instagram ufike gcwabo omuhle wegubhela uzosalutha lapha kaBiela noma ungangi-DM nje uthi hayi ngizwile eqhawe isikhalo sakho okunye ngisabuya ngizokuqedela ku live sengiyokwenza iplan ukuthi sidibana kanjani kula manje ngizathi ngiyabheka kuzo zonke into owazi lapha eSouth Africa into besingakwazi sibambe iqine nayo esicishe sibe kuyilevel edayifane empilo uwe lapho gcwabo lapho khona uyabo noma ngabe ethi ukuphi.
Even after a few days, Sean Mkhize did not reply to Quality Biela's post, even though people were tagging her.
Hayi bo bafowethu Friday ukhiphi proposal lapha ethi hayi kagcwabe uya nganeno man sesisho lokhuzane phela uShoni lona kaMkhize ba.
After all his attempts, Sean Mkhize still did not reply. What do you think, guys? Do you think that Quality Biela and Sean Mkhize would make a great financial couple? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on notifications so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please like this video and comment down below what you think about Quality Biela and Sean Mkhize. Do you think they would make a great couple?